What we're going to be doing is cutting LCS pipe using a senior hacksaw. Important things to note when we're using LCS pipe: because it's heavy, make sure we are using steel toe cap boots. Also, I'm going to be wearing gloves. The other alternative is to use barrier cream. We've got our pipe supported in a pipe vise. The two options are a pipe vise or a chain vise. It's very important you don't use an engineering vise with the flat jaws. The pipe won't be held securely and it's dangerous. The pipe would fall out, and if you're cutting, then you'll end up causing more damage to yourself. I'm going to mark the pipe using a pen and mark all the way around the pipe. So as I'm cutting through the pipe, I can see exactly where the cut wants to go. Then using a senior hacksaw, once I start the cut, it's very important I use two hands on the hacksaw and I use the complete length of the blade. Lots of little strokes like that are not the way to get through it. It takes up more energy, it doesn't use the blade properly, and you're more likely to cause yourself damage with slipping and end up hurting your knuckles on the sharp edges of the pipe. So using two hands, start the cut. With nice, gentle strokes. Just before we get to the end of the cut, it's important that we hold on to the piece of pipe that we're cutting off. This is only a very short length, but if we had a longer length, we don't want it dropping onto the floor and causing damage to the floor, or more importantly, your feet. What we have now is a lovely square cut. Very important to remember that we're going to have very sharp edges on the pipe. That's why we need to deburr both the inside and the outside of the pipe. Firstly, using a flat file. Then using a rat's tail file. And then just wipe any swarf off.